What if I told you there's now an AI agent that can handle your entire faceless YouTube workflow from niche research to SEO without you lifting a finger? Meet Deep Agent by Abacus AI, a cutting-edge autonomous agent that doesn't just assist, it thinks, plans, and executes like a real team member. It's completely changed how I run my faceless YouTube channel. And the craziest part, it only costs $10 a month. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how Deep Agent works and how it can take your content from idea to video fully automated. This might just be the most mind-blowing AI tool I've used this year. To access Deep Agent, visit the Chatham Teams by Abacus AI website. I'll leave the link in the description so you can follow along. Once you log into the website, you'll find that Deep Agent is already included if you have a subscription. You don't need to pay anything extra. It's important to note that with the base $10 per month plan, you get access to around 3 major tasks per month using this AI agent. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll see Deep Agent at the base listed in the sidebar. Click on it and it'll open up this interface. This is where you'll give it instructions. You'll also see some pre-generated sample tasks here, which you can use if they fit your needs. But for this tutorial, I'll be showing you exactly how I use Deep Agent to automate my faceless YouTube workflow, from channel analysis and niche research to title generation, thumbnail ideas, and script writing. Normally, these tasks would take me hours to complete, but with this AI agent, it executes everything in one smooth run based on the instructions you give it. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a list of tasks you've previously run. If it's your first time using the tool, this section will be empty. And in this chat box, that is where you'll input your custom instructions for Deep Agent to execute. Now, let me walk you through the exact prompt I'll be using to test Deep Agent. First, I gave it the link to my YouTube channel and asked it to analyze my content, everything from my video style and scripting format to the niche I create in. Then I instructed it to perform a competitor analysis to see what's working right now in the AI faceless YouTube space. Based on that, I asked it to propose 10 video ideas, including titles, reference links, and script drafts. For each video, I also requested keyword suggestions, SEO tags, a video description, based on my usual format, a pinned comment, and a pre-release community post. To keep things organized, I asked for all the results in both the native Abacus format and a downloadable Word document. Basically, I was asking Deep Agent to handle the entire workflow, tasks that usually take me hours in one automated run. Once I clicked submit, the agent started processing. Sometimes it may ask clarifying questions depending on the task, and in this case, it did exactly as expected. It asked me about my specific niche within the AI faceless YouTube space, my target audience, my posting frequency, and whether I want to maintain it, competitor channels I'd like it to analyze, and whether I had any particular content themes in mind. I provided my responses. I create content around faceless YouTube channel with AI and making money with AI, targeting both beginners and professionals. I post weekly and want to maintain that schedule. For competitors, I gave a broad range since I wanted it to cast a wide net. And for content themes, I asked for video ideas related to faceless YouTube and generating online income with AI. After submitting my answers, the agent began the full analysis. It took around 45 minutes to an hour, which is reasonable considering how many tasks I assigned. You'll see the workspace updates in real time. That's one of my favorite features. It actually shows you what it's working on. I will go ahead and speed up the process. If you're thinking about starting your own faceless YouTube channel, don't do it alone. I've put together some free resources to help you get started the right way, including a step-by-step checklist and a weekly newsletter packed with tips, tools, and strategies to grow faster. Check the description below to grab your free checklist and join the newsletter. You'll get everything you need to launch and scale your channel with AI. The process is complete. It consumed nearly 380,000 tokens to process everything. The results are mind blowing, starting off with the output that includes a complete table of contents to help navigate the sections. You could already see how this tool can save you a lot of time. It did a full channel analysis, a competitor breakdown, a content plan, and individual video scripts. This is incredibly powerful. Just from one detailed prompt, Deep Agent analyzed my channel, researched competitors like Make Money Matt, Futurepedia, and Brett in Tech, and gave me everything I need to plan an entire content calendar. Even if some of the channels it referenced aren't direct competitors, I could easily refine the prompt to make it more targeted. At first, I thought it missed a few things like tags and thumbnails, but I was wrong. It actually included thumbnail ideas with reference examples, video descriptions, keyword suggestions, pin comments, and community post drafts, all customized for each video idea. This is a lot of information that I have to sit down and unpack. Now, let's take a look at one of the video topics it generated. It included the intro, market research, script sections, and more, enough to cover a 15 to 25-minute video. You can always trim it down, of course, but the amount of value packed in here is unreal. I'll also leave the exact prompt I used in the description so you can try it for yourself. But it doesn't stop there. I also tested the ability of Deep Agent's repurposing content. Let's look at the content I generated earlier. Here, I gave it the link to one of my newsletters and paired it with a YouTube video I wanted to repurpose. It generated a fresh, engaging newsletter draft for me, all automatically. Beyond YouTube, Deep Agent has features that can support your email workflow too. You can connect your Gmail and have it draft responses or manage inbox tasks, which is a massive help if you're like me and receive tons of emails every day. I will be testing out this feature more to help me with my email management. Other tasks it can perform are creating presentations, detailed websites, games and itineraries, technical reports, and so much more. I'm honestly mind blown by what this AI agent can do. It's like having a full-time assistant working behind the scenes. I know there are a lot of AI agents out there. I currently use two myself, Manus AI and this one, but honestly, Deep Agent has really blown me away. What sets it apart is the transparency. You can actually see what it's doing on the back end in real time, which is something Manus doesn't offer natively. And considering it starts at just $10 a month, the value is insane, especially when I compare it to what I pay for Manus. With the $10 plan, you get 3 major tasks per month, which is honestly enough to cover most basic workflows. And even if you want to go deeper or run more complex automation, the $20 upgrade is still far more affordable than other options out there. So I want to hear from you. What do you think about Deep Agent? Have you tried it yet? Are you planning to? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's chat about it.